Welcome to this 3-Minute Thursday video. As the name suggests, our plan is to provide 3-minute tips each Thursday of the semester. These videos are designed to give you quick, helpful tips to improve your teaching experience. For this Thursday's 3-minute tip, we will talk about the Canvas Gradebook. The Canvas Gradebook tool is very complex and has a lot of functionality that we just can't cover in 3 minutes. Please check the additional resources to see the guides and videos that Canvas has provided. In this video, we are only going to highlight a few features that may not be apparent at first glance. All of the screenshots taken in this presentation are from the gradebook. Canvas has added quite a bit of new functionality in the last few semesters, so it's a good idea to take a look at these and understand how they work. Before students submit assignments in your course, you should configure your course grading policies. You can set automatic grading policies for late and missing assignments, select a course-wide grade posting policy, and enable advanced grading options in gradebook settings. Be careful to choose between automatically posting grades or manually posting grades. You may want to review grading and responses to all students before any students see their grades. But by default, it is set to automatically post grades, where students will see their grades as you grade them. It may be helpful to view assignments by module or by assignment group to reduce the number of assignments you are seeing. Using the View tab and selecting these options will give you additional sorting drop-down menus to help you navigate a large gradebook. It can be helpful to add a few notes directly to the gradebook to help you track special circumstances for students. Students cannot see these notes. Enable the Notes section through the View button as well. Each assignment also has many items you can choose from. You can hide the grading process individually here or change your grade posting policy. But most importantly, you can message students who haven't submitted yet, haven't been graded, scored less than, or scored more than. Each of these students will receive an individual message. They can't see any other names. We hope this Thursday 3-minute tip has been helpful, and we encourage you to share it with others. Please contact us with questions, to schedule a consultation, or to share ideas for future videos. The best way to reach us is through our shared email account. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for spending 3 minutes with us today.